Hey guys, welcome back to Avocado Shrimp, and today we're doing Avocraft episode 2, and today the Nether update actually released, so that's why we have Minecraft open, not as usual, but this is actually the home screen for, all the like new Netherite and like Nether update stuff, so like, it's finally here, so like, we're just gonna play some Avocraft and see, what happens. Like, it's gonna be fun. Let's try and get some netherite armor and stuff like that. As you guys probably know, to get netherite armor or like tools and stuff, you need diamonds, tools, and like the diamond sword, diamond pickaxe, and all that stuff. So let's just craft that up, and then let's just enchant that, and then get a couple pieces of ancient debris, not debris, and then we just cover it with the ancient debris, smelted up with a little bit of gold. So that means we have a perfect netherite sword and tools and all that cool stuff. It's gonna be better than diamonds, and it's gonna be nice and enchanted with the smithing table, and it's a perfect and ultimate plan. It's just gonna be good. So see you when we do that stuff. Enchanting equals XP equals XP farm. Let's make it. So, I was kind of bored and kind of tired of just throwing eggs at that platform, so I decided to make this machine that does it for me, so I don't have to do it, because, I'm lazy, and even in Minecraft, I can't just stand there and do throwing some eggs. So this machine does it much faster for me, and it's a lot easier to use. Just chuck in a couple eggs, and there you go, it moves. So now let's explain how it works. So, from this chest, like all the eggs and things go from that chest into the hopper, into the dispenser. And then when it goes into the dispenser, it gets detected by the comparator, and then the redstone powers the block so that the redstone torch will power the other redstone torch on top of there, so that the piston would push down the observer to turn on the redstone clock. And meanwhile, it does the same thing, but at the opposite times for the other one, so that the piston activates, the observer detects it, and then the piston gets pushed upwards. So that makes it so that it doesn't have to make that annoying noise, because like dispenser noise is really annoying, like really annoying. So that's why I made this system, and it wasn't that expensive. I just had to get a couple quartz and a couple pieces of iron, and yeah, you might want to look at how efficient this thing is. It just spams out eggs, and also once you collect that stuff, it's like super fast. It's just amazing how efficient it is. And I also made a chicken egg farm, and that's pretty nice. Like it's automatically checking out eggs, and it's just perfect. Now I just gotta chuck in a couple eggs and just run away. So that's kind of how it works, and hopefully that made sense. If it didn't, just know that it doesn't make sense for me much. I just did some things, and like, yeah, I just tried to make it compact. Like it worked sort of. I'm not a redstone expert like Mumbo Jumbo or anything like that, but still, I built that machine, and it proves that I can do sort of redstone. Not the best redstone, but like sort of redstone-ish things. Like it works. It works, and it's not compact, but it works, and that's kind of all that matters, isn't it? So like, yeah. So, yeah, let's just end this part of the video now. Okay, now the mob farm's done, sort of. Yeah, it's done. So let's just break a couple ladders and like do all that stuff. It's gonna work out. It's hopefully gonna be efficient enough to enchant my tools. Hopefully it's just gonna be that efficient. Like, it doesn't have to be super efficient, but it can still be quite efficient so that it gives me enough XP. Okay, it's true that I don't have any enchantments on my diamond tools or anything like that, but still, it's a good idea to mine for some good old netherite. So let's start the time lapse. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I forgot. This is not the netherite time lapse. This is the upgrading villager time lapse. Now the netherite mining session time lapse. Okay guys, so I am in spectator mode right now, and I am looking at all this. Right now I am trying to search for a, oops, whoa, that's not what I meant to do guys, sorry guys. Okay, so, what I really want to find is a, nether fortress. So I am in spectator mode to see if there are any nether fortresses. So then I realized that I found one, but it was, yeah, just see the clip. I am looking so far and I do not see, oh my god! What? What, is it actually that easy? Okay, let's take coordinates. Okay, so, F3. Whoa, I'm gonna write this down. Okay. One writing it down later. Okay, I am back. I am in survival mode now. Well, back in survival mode, and I have 20 levels because I was using one of these things. You kind of just stand here and then you kind of sweep. But because of that, I died a couple times. Slain by pigmen, Okay, so now let's go to. Is my FOD increased? I'm not sure. Okay, so the coordinates of that place was, wait a second, guys. It was x equals negative 147, y equals 75, and z equals 394. So let's go to that destination. Okay, so we have to go to first negative. A little bit of trouble later. Okay, that wasn't the funnest thing ever, but we made it, sort of. Yeah, we made it. Not even sort of. Okay, so now that we have this island, we just go rather way over here and we build another pillar. Another pillar later. Okay, so now we should be good for the coordinates of this. Let me think. Okay, so we're at negative 13. We have to go more that way. Netherrack wouldn't do the trick. It would not do the trick. Oh, what would do the trick? Oh, basalt. Yes. Okay, so 3, 4. So we just need to find that way. Yes, this way. Coordinates are pretty complicated, but Avocado Shrimp knows how to handle them. A little bit of Avocado Shrimp pro handling later. Avocado Shrimp is an expert. A little bit of another pillar later. You have to cross lava. Why does Minecraft have to do this?